Dressers. It's that time again. We have another unboxing and I'm so excited to be doing this one with Dyson. Dyson was kind enough to give me this amazing piece of technology. I'm not just gonna call it a blow dryer because the Dyson Supersonic goes above and beyond to protect your hair. So let's see what they sent over. There are many boxes here and I appreciate each and every one of them. But ironically, the smallest one is the one that I'm very excited about. So let's check it out. The Dyson Supersonic is fast drying with no extreme heat. It's engineered for different hair types. With its powerful airflow, the air multiplier technology amplifies air by 3 times. Intelligent heat control measures air temperature over 40 times a second. It's fast drying. The Dyson digital motor V9 spins up to 110,000 RPM. I received the Dyson Supersonic and it's in the purple. I love the pink one, but I really wanted the purple one. And I love that it's black because that's dark and it matches kind of with my aesthetic. And purple's my favorite color. And as you know, I travel a lot, so Dyson also sent me the matching traveling case. It's a leather case with velvet inside, so I can carry my Supersonic with me and protect it. And for the days I'm doing my hair at home, I can keep my Supersonic on a stand. So this is gonna be perfect for my new bathroom. I can keep it on display and show everyone how I'm protecting my hair with the Dyson Supersonic. The stand has a space to hold all of the attachments as well. So this is a great way to display your Supersonic in your bathroom and to show the beauty of its design. And like I said, the smallest box is my favorite because it contains the new wide tooth comb by Dyson. This comb attachment was designed specifically for textured hair just like mine. I've been using it for the past couple weeks and definitely see a difference in my blow dries. Combined with the technology of the Supersonic, my hair is no longer blow fried. Thank you so much to Dyson for sending this over to me. I really appreciate it. I love the Supersonic. I love that it controls the heat and doesn't add more heat damage to my hair. If you haven't tried the Dyson Supersonic, get one today. Tell me what you think. If you have one, let me know what you love about it in the comments. Thank you.